Good morning children. I am Uma from SketchUp Art and Craft Book Publishers. How are you children? Children, take your SketchUp Art and Craft book and a pencil. Okay. Now let us start today's lesson. Today I am going to teach you some basics. Okay. Now please open page number 2. Now please open page number 2. Did you identify what is there in the page? There are sleeping lines and standing lines. Okay. You have learned those lines in LKG and UKG, but you did not practice much in those classes. Am I correct? Children, practice standing lines and sleeping lines and slanting lines just for 5 to 10 minutes every day in rough book. Okay. Because of this practice, you will be able to draw nicely. Children, basic lines are very important. Okay. To write the word line in English, you must know alphabets. If you know the letters only, you can write the word. Okay. So letters are the basics. You should learn to write words or sentences. Okay. In the same way, if you want to learn drawing, you should know shapes and lines. Okay. These are basics. These are the basics. That is why you have to practice well. Did you all understand? Children, now let us start drawing sleeping lines. Okay. Take a pencil and draw the sleeping lines on the printed lines, okay, given in the page. After completing the printed lines, then draw sleeping lines on your own in the space given, okay, with the same gap in between the lines. Now complete standing lines in the same way, okay. Now let us try to draw any picture using these lines, okay. Which picture shall we draw? We will draw a picture which are know and use every day, okay. Are you thinking what it is? Even now you all are using it. What is that? Pencil. Draw a pencil. If you want to draw any picture, first imagine that picture in your mind, okay. Imagine the shape of the picture and which lines to use to draw that picture, okay. Then you can easily draw the picture, okay. Now please open page number 40. You identify which page is this? That is practice page. Children, divide the page into 2 equal halves with the help of standing line, okay. Now draw the picture in the first half of the page. Let us start the picture, okay. Let us start the picture. First you draw 4 equal standing lines like this, okay. Then draw one sleeping line joined with standing lines. Then draw 2 slanting lines joining the 2 standing lines. Next, join the 2 standing lines with a rueful line like this. In the end, draw one small standing line. So, did you all see that we learned how to draw simply with lines? In the same way, draw many pictures just with lines. Let us color the picture. Children, take your crayons. Let us start coloring. Now take red color crayon. Fill like this. Don't apply much force. Don't draw in different directions. Draw in single direction only. Okay. Then don't draw different direction in different direction. Apply neatly, either standing position or sleeping position. Do in one direction only. Okay. Don't leave white gaps. Now red color is completed. Then you take black color crayon and fill very neatly. Don't leave white gaps. Fill properly. Take brown color crayon and fill very lightly. Now picture is completed. That we learned how to draw simply with lines. In the same way, You draw many pictures just with lines. Okay, children? Want to show your picture? Send me to WhatsApp. Okay. If you have any doubts or if you want to watch it again, then subscribe my channel SketchUp Art and Craft. On YouTube. Okay. If you have any doubts, then mention your doubts in the comments or message me the doubts on WhatsApp. Okay. My number is there on the back side of your book. Okay, children, practice nicely. Bye. See you in the next lesson. Okay.